Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Today we're going to make a healthy mixed fruit juice. It is so simple and easy to make. It is refreshing and nutritious. I'm going to start first with my apples. I'm going to prep my apples. I have 2 apples here. Apples, most especially green apples, are a great source of fiber that help to promote a healthy gut and is beneficial for the digestive system. Next up, I'm going to prep my cucumber. Cucumbers are no stranger to this channel. I use a lot of cucumbers in my recipes because they're so hydrating and they may promote healthy skin. Next up, I'm going to prep a small thumb of ginger. Ginger can be very soothing. It also can help to reduce inflammation and has been used generally to treat colds. Afterward, I am going to prep 1 medium-sized pineapple. I am going to deskin and chop into cubes. As you may have observed, pineapples are no stranger to my channel. I use them a lot in my juice recipes because they're loaded with nutrients. They may help boost immunity, reduce inflammation, help to promote weight loss. The list is endless. So guys, if you're new here, it's great to have you here. Welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I upload healthy juices and delicious food recipes every week. So please join the family, hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And while you're at it, please give this video a thumbs up. Next, I'm going to chop up some fresh mint leaves to add some freshness to this juice. Mint leaves are loaded with vitamins and minerals and can help with bad breath. I'm not going to be using a lot so it doesn't overpower the juice. I'm just going to use a small handful. Then I'm going to add everything to my blender. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm also going to squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, and then I'm going to blend. Then I'm going to sieve it into a bowl. I'm just going to mix it properly and voila, the juice is ready. I'm just going to pour my juice in a glass and enjoy. It is such a wonderful juice. I'm not going to be adding any sweetener because the natural sweetness of the juice is so refreshing. It's amazing, healing, nutritious. You guys have to try it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell. That's very important. Also write a nice comment. I'd love to see your comments and I'm going to respond to your comments. So guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Ciao.